Okay, so today we are going to do a video, me and Sprout. We're going to do a peekaboo, but not in the trick version, in a vet husbandry version, to help you with the kennel cough vaccine. Obviously it's not the nicest vaccine there is in the world, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you one way of how it's easier to get it into the dog's nose. So yeah, there's obviously multiple ways you can do it. This is just a way that I like to teach clients how to do it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Good boy. You ready? So what you want to do is get two treats in your hands, like this. And what you want to do is bring him around. Good boy. Then when he's there, you want to ask for a sit. Good boy. And then you're going to feed in that position. So every time he looks up, you're going to feed. Good. So what you want is obviously you want to be able to see that nose. You ready? Get that one. Get it. Let's use this one. Use this one. Use this one. Come on in. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. So I'm going to feed here. Good boy. And again. Good. Good. Then what I've got in my pocket, I've got a syringe. Obviously, they do it by a syringe. Good. So what I'm going to do now is just get him used to this being in his little space. Good. Is that nice? He looks very tasty. Good. So obviously what I want him to do is carry on looking at me when this is in the area. Good. And I'm not always going to put the syringe down. Good. You've got it everywhere. It's all over your tongue. Good. Good. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to reset him. Good boy. Do you want some of these ones again? Or do you want just a cheese? Do you want some again? No, just a cheese. Okay. Got it, it's coming round. Sit. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good. 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 Good boy. You're very cute. Good. Good boy. What I'm looking for is I want to be able to touch his nose with this while he's still staring at me. So he's still got that consent. If he moves at any time, I'm going to stop. Good. Good boy. Should we do one more? Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good little boy. Good boy. So yeah. So that is how I would do it. Obviously, there's multiple ways you can do it. Obviously, there's no wrong and right way as long as it's force-free and you're both enjoying it. Good boy. And there's a winch. Okay. Good boy. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully that kind of understood. What I can do if it isn't that well explained, because I'm not very good at explaining stuff, I can do a more in-depth video about explaining it a bit more. But it's, like I said, it's quite straightforward. And it's quite nice for your dogs to do it in that position, because you know it's quite an easy one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day.